Yeah, I'm a little terrified actually.
Okay. Even though I'm a little terrified,
Even though I'm a little terrified.
I'm safe right here, right now.
So,
Even though I'm a little terrified just thinking about that feeling of suffocation.
even though I'm a little terrified, more about tapping on it,
About
maybe
tapping
exposing myself.
and exposing myself. I accept how I feel right here, right now.
Accept how I feel right here, right now.
And I accept the acceptance of the energy of the group.
I accept the acceptance of the energy of the group.
Even though part of me still feels exposed.
Even though all of me still feels exposed.
I ask that part of me that feels exposed
I accept part of me that feels exposed.
to allow my soul to comfort me
To allow my soul to comfort me.
and to know that all is well.
To know that all is well.
The human part of me feels exposed.
Sorry.
The human part of me
The human part of me feels exposed.
but the soul part of me knows I'm safe.
Soul part of me knows I'm safe.
The human part of me feels exposed and unsafe.
My part of me feels exposed and unsafe.
And I feel terrified.
I'm terrified.
That terrified feeling that I'm not safe.
Terrified feeling that I'm not safe. That you'll all see me.
That terrified feeling that they can all see me. I'm on spotlight.
I am on spotlight.
Everyone can see me.
Everyone can see me.
And that terrifies me.
Terrified.
This terrified feeling that everyone can see me.
Terrified feeling that everyone can see me.
It takes my breath away.
That's my breath away.
And I ask my guides and higher self,
I ask my guides and higher self,
where does this terrified feeling come from?
what this terrified feeling come from?
This feeling that everyone can see me.
The feeling that everyone can see me.
It suffocates me.
I've got to stay hidden.
Say that again.
I've got to stay hidden.
This feeling that I need to stay hidden to feel safe.
Feel that I need to stay hidden.
I let my body know I'm safe right here, right now.
I let my body know I'm safe right here, right now.
And I allow myself to feel the energy of love that everyone is sending me.
I let myself to feel the energy and love that everybody is sending me.
Everyone in this group.
Everyone in this group.
Sending me healing and acceptance.
Sending me healing and acceptance.
Even though part of me is still terrified.
Even though part of me is still terrified.
Terrified of being seen. I'm on spotlight.
Terrified of being seen and on spotlight.
I ask my guides and higher self.
I ask my guides and higher self.
And the multi-dimensional layers of DNA.
And multiple layers, multi-dimensional layers of DNA.
That remember all my lifetimes.
That remember all my lifetimes.
Where does this terrified feeling of being seen come from originally?
Where does this terrified feeling of being seen come from originally? I just can't see myself scrambling up on a woman.
Mm-hmm.
in a like long skirts, stuff like that. So I don't know what
Mhm.
might be, but scrambling along dirt, trying to get away. People coming up to me. Steve, I don't know what they're going to do to me, but I'm terrified.
Okay, keep tapping through the points, opening your eyes, this terrified feeling,
This terrified feeling,
this vision of being a woman scrambling and terrified.
this vision of being a woman, scrambling and terrified.
I don't know what they're going to do to me, but I'm terrified.
I don't know what they're going to do to me. They found me and I'm terrified.
They've bound me and I'm terrified.
Found, no, sorry,
Found,
found,
found, and I'm terrified.
I'm terrified.
I choose to rise above that lifetime,
I choose to rise above that lifetime,
looking down from a spiritual perspective,
looking down from a spiritual perspective,
looking down and seeing what's happening
looking down and seeing what's happening
without any emotional connection.
without any emotional connection. I think it's I'm being punished because of things that I know. They're, they don't like me to know things that they don't know. I still can't see what happens to me though. Just that I'm scrambling away,
Yep. Rising above it even higher.
rising above it even higher,
Recognizing the fear imprint in that human body,
recognizing the fear imprint in that human body.
the
You're
fear
going to hit me.
they're going to hang you. Rising even higher. Seeing that fading into the distance as you rise higher above it. Rising up even higher. Connecting with your higher self. Surrounded by beings of light. Rising even higher. Higher and higher to that place of higher understanding and knowledge. All the way up to the master beings of light. Feeling acknowledged and honored for that lifetime. Carrying out the soul agreement, the soul contract for higher learning and lesson. Asking the master guides to help you see and understand the higher learning and lesson from that life.
No worry what's there, but I don't know what it's. I guess the lesson was that I was there to make people more comfortable, to give them some understanding. In the time when it wasn't acceptable to be that person.
They weren't ready for your knowledge and your wisdom.
They may really come on and change this thing. It's still up.
The energy vibration of humanity wasn't quite there yet.
Energy vibration of humanity wasn't quite there. Yeah.
But I give permission now
Permission now
to release the fear associated with my knowledge and wisdom.
to release the fear associated with my knowledge and wisdom.
I release the fear of being seen.
Release the fear of being seen
In this current life.
in this current life.
It's safe for me now.
Safe from now.
I won't be hung or killed. And I give permission for all pieces and parts of me
I give permission to all people and parts of me.
multi-dimensional DNA and current DNA
Multi-dimensional DNA and current DNA.
to release this fear, this terror
To release the fear and the terror
of being seen with the knowledge and wisdom I have.
being seen with the knowledge and wisdom I have.
I claim the power of my wisdom and knowledge,
And the power.
and I choose to feel safe in this lifetime.
I choose to feel safe in this lifetime.
I use my discernment
Use my discernment
of when and where I speak my truth and my wisdom.
when I'm aware of the truth and my wisdom. But I can speak.
I can speak. It's safe for me to speak and breathe,
It's safe for me to speak.
and I release the physical remnants of the energy of a noose around my neck.
And I release the physical remnants of a noose around my neck.
From all pieces and parts of my DNA.
From all pieces and parts of my DNA.
I release that suffocating feeling.
I release that suffocating feeling.
And I choose to breathe deeply.
And I give myself permission to breathe deeply.
And to use my knowledge and wisdom.
And to use my knowledge and wisdom.
Even when it's things that other people don't know.
Even things that other people don't know or believe.
It's safe, and it's part of my soul contract.
It's safe and it's part of my soul contract.
And my higher learning and lesson.
And my higher learning lesson.
To know that in this lifetime I'm safe.
To know that in this lifetime I'm safe.
Safe to be seen. I don't need to scramble and be running in fear and hiding.
Safe to be seen. I don't need to scramble and run in fear and hiding.
It might even be safe to be seen on Spotlight.
It might even be safe to be seen on Spotlight.
I choose to feel safe now.
I choose to feel safe.
I choose to give permission to all pieces and parts of me to feel safe to be seen.
I give permission to all pieces and parts of me to be seen and
Seen.
sorry,
Safe to be seen.
safe to be seen.
I'm safe now.
I'm safe.
Okay, take a deep breath. There was a deep breath taken before I said to breathe deeply.
I came into the session yesterday with a roaring headache, and like my navel upward had been filled with air, like just really uptight.
And how does it feel now?
It's free now. It's free now, yeah. I knew that I had something to process, but I didn't know what. really what it was.
Yeah. And often that is the trigger. It's as soon as I spotlight someone, that's a trigger. It's like, oh my God, everyone can see me now. And
Yeah,
that's a real trigger.
yeah. Well, I've been a little bit reluctant. I have taken part in self-work, but I don't let myself share that much. I seem to talk around in circles. So I think that was part of it too. That
Yeah, hiding by
people
talking
might
in
see me.
circles, you hide rather than get to the gist. So now, do you feel more confident and more safe to
Yeah,
people and speak?
breathe.
Breathe. Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah, you
can't
can
believe.
see that. Mm.
Yeah, but I do. Yes, I do feel more. I've actually balked at starting any of the practices that I've learnt. So hopefully that will.
Yeah, which is part of the hiding. Yeah,
Yeah.
wonderful. Yeah, well done. We'll
Thank you, Jenny. I
get
really
to see
appreciate
a lot more of you and hear
it.
a lot more of you. Yeah, well done.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.